Good morning, everybody. I missed you over the weekend. Miss Sarah is here to do our calendar and a little bit of our morning meeting and to go over our lesson plan for today. So the first thing we're going to start with is our good morning song. So you need 2 hands, 2 fingers. Are you guys ready? All right, help me sing it. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Now let's look over here at our calendar. So the last time we were at school was on Friday. We didn't have school on Saturday. We did not have school on Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. Today is Monday. So we talked about what day it is. Today is Monday. Now let's look at our pattern. Our pattern is rainbow, umbrella. On Friday we drew an umbrella. So we knew we needed to have 2 rainbows. What comes after our rainbows? Rainbow, umbrella. Very good. It repeats itself. So Miss Sarah's going to draw the umbrella. Okay, so we knew we needed an umbrella on Monday for our pattern. Now let's talk about the number, the date that we are going to put in. Yesterday was the number 26. A 2 and a 6 together make the number 26. So I'm going to put my thinking hat on. What number comes next? 26. What number comes next? I can't hear you. Do you guys want to count it out with me? I'm going to count at the beginning to find out what number comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Very good, you guys. 27. Now, what number comes first? The 2 or the 7? Very good. The 2 comes first. So I'm going to write the 2 first. And because it's 27, I'm going to put a 7 next to it. 2 and 7 together make 27. Very good. Now let's say our date. Today is Monday, April 27, 2020. Today is Monday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Very good, you guys. Now we're going to sing our Days of the Week song. Remember, there are 7 days in a week.
7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week.
Very good. Thank you guys for joining. Okay, now we are going to talk about our activities for the day. For reading and writing today, we have the ABC songs in English and in Spanish to listen to today. And we also have a song that is sung in our global music class, and it is called Welcome or Bienvenidos. And the students really love this song. We sing it every week in global music, but with Miss Sincera. The other activity this week that we are doing every day is having your child write their name. So this week, for our friend's name today, that I am going to practice writing with you, is Ethan. So to write Ethan's name, we do big line down, little line across the top, little line in the middle, and little line on the bottom. Next letter, we do big line down, little line in the middle, big line down, little curve. Our next letter is little curve, little line, little curve. Ethan. E-T-H-A-N. Ethan. So now it's your turn to write your name. Today for math, we will be practicing counting to the number 25. If your child is having trouble counting to the number 25, you can have them count to 10 again, multiple times. There's a video down in the accommodations for your child to follow along with for counting to 10, or have them count to 20 again. Let's practice counting to 25 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We're going to do that 5 times. So we did it once. So now you and your child are going to count together 4 more times. For science and social studies today, we are talking about the 5 senses. What we hear, what we see, what we smell, what we taste, and what we touch. What do those things feel like? What do they sound like? Does it smell good? Does it smell bad? What colors do we see? Does it move? Does it not move? So we're going to watch a video about our 5 senses today. For recess today, we're going to go on another bear hunt. You guys are going to walk outside or in your house and you can listen to this song, or you can make up your own bear hunt song. And you're going to talk about what you see, what you hear. Can you go over it? Can you go under it? Can you go through it? Do you have to go around it? So that's what we're going to do today for recess. If you haven't done so already, or if you'd like to make a new one, please draw a picture of a rainbow and put it in your front window. We'd really love to spread some sunshine and joy during this time, as we are very upset that we cannot be with you at school, but we know that you guys are staying safe and healthy at your homes. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me or Miss Lily. We will be setting up times to do Google Meet video lessons this week. I'll see you guys later.